hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn in grammar subject. Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back again. Chapter number 5, naming word, which I have uploaded in half part before, and now this is the second part. As we had done exercise A and exercise B, today we will do exercise C. Now underline the naming word in the stories given below. The magician has a big head. He keeps a rabbit, a teddy bear, an egg and candies in it. Here we can see the magician. Magician is a person. So underline this word. Has a big hat. Hat is a thing. So underline this word. He keeps a rabbit. So rabbit is a name of animal. A teddy bear. Teddy bear is a name of thing. Egg. Egg is also thing, and candies. Candies also things. Now go to the second one. Bholu and Mona are friends. They love to play in the park. They play with a bat and a ball. So here Bholu is a name of person and Mona is also name of person. And friends. Friends are also persons. So here they love to play in the park. Park is a place. So underline it. They play with a bat and ball. Bat and balls are things. So underline it. Number 3. Sona has a parrot. Sona is the name of person and parrot is the name of bird. She keeps it in a cage. Here cage is a thing. So underline the word. The parrot. Again parrot here. So it's the name of a bird. Eats a guava. Guava is the name of thing. Guava is a fruit. So it's a thing. Every day it wants to fly. Sona opens the cage and sets it free. Sona. Sona is the name of person and cage. Cage is the name of thing. Now turn the page. Page number 16. Neha is a small girl. Here Neha. Neha is the name of a person. And girl. Girl is also a person. She meets the flowers fairy. So here flower fairy. Flower fairy is also a name of a person. The fairy gave her a big doll. Fairy. Fairy is a person's name. Gives her a big doll. So doll is a thing. The doll. Doll here again. So doll is a thing. Doll talks to Neha. Neha is the name of person. She thanks the fairy. She thanks the fairy. Fairy is a person. She is very happy. So student, you have to underline the words accordingly. Now exercise T. There are 4 words in group. Cross the word that is not a naming word. That is not a naming word. Pond, eyes, shoes and big. Here pond is a thing. Eyes we have. That is also thing. Shoe. Shoe is a thing. Now big. Big is not a thing. So cross this word. Man, garden and book. Man is a person, garden is a place and book is thing. So and is not a word that we can say is a naming word. Now axe, cry, bike and cow. Here cry. Cry is not a naming word because axe is a thing, bike is also thing and cow is a name of animal. Office, ground, eagle, this. Office is a place, ground is a place, eagle is a bird. And this is not the word that is not a naming word. Now exercise E. Take word from the box and complete the story. Fill in the blanks with the naming words. Here we have some words. Door, forest, woman, princess, straw, hut, wood and chair. Dinah was a princess. So write here princess. She gets lost in a forest. So here forest word. Write down here. She sees a hut made of dash, that is straw. The dash is made of the door. The door is made of wood. She looks inside the hut. An old woman sits on a chair. She smiles at Dinah. Now, last exercise. Here are some naming words that have mixed up with other alphabet. You have to find the naming words. The first letter of every naming word is in a bold. So here F. F we can find here. So see this one, flower. So write here F-L-O-W-E-R, that is flower. Now here M-N. So here we have M-O-O-N, moon. So write down double O here. So moon word is complete. Now here H dash 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 R. So here we can see H here, helicopter. So write the spelling H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. Here it is. Now F. We can find the word from here, F-A-N, fan. So write down A here, F-A-N, fan. Now U. You can see here, uncle, U-N-C-L-E, uncle. Now U dash A. Let's find the word with U. Here it is U, umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Now M dash P. Here we have again M-A-P, map. So write A here, M-A-P, map. And the last word which is V dash 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 E. So here V is there. So we find the word village. So V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. So student, you have to write all these spellings in your textbook and finish all this work in the textbook and also copy all this work in the notebook. Thank you.